Wait lang. Wait lang, wait lang.
Good afternoon, Metro Asia. Hello, MSC bowlers. Welcome to MSC Basketball League Season 3, Game 2 for the team Anonymous. General Basan, Elijah Marasigan, Daniel Gatot Jr., RJ Zake, Jack Tonyo, and John Michael Arce. The team Anonymous. The team Anonymous. And for the team JSW Hoopers, San Carlos Cortez, William Kang, Crisanto Alingasa, Rujo Gablieta, Rigo Garcia, Jeremiah Bongaita, Mark Retanan, Ventendero, and Johnson Montalbon. The team JSW Hoopers. Always remember to give respect to your co-players and officials. And let's congratulate for being the best in rebound from the team JSW Hoopers, Ventendero of the team JSW Hoopers, please come forward for your award, jersey with trophy. Ventendero best in rebound from the team JSW Hoopers.
Sama ka sa mga vlogger. Lord Primrose.
Sikat ka na. The team JSW Hoopers versus the team Anonymous. Let's begin our second game for today. Alingasa Retanan, Bongaita Garcia, and Gavieta for the team JSW Hoopers. General Basan, Jack Tonyo, RJ Sape, Elijah Marasigan, and Daniel Gatot Jr. for the team Anonymous. Raquel versus Alingasa. Bonga Itan. Sure kanan. No good. Rebound by Raquel Jr. To General Albasan. General to RJ Sape to Raquel. Back to Albasan. 3 points by General Albasan. Garcia versus Bonga Itan. To Gavieta. Gavieta to Rekanan for 2 points. 2 points for the team JSW Hoopers versus 3 points for the team Anonymous. General Albasan to Raquel for 2 points. 5 points for the team Anonymous. Bonga Itan to Gavieta. Chabili. Official score. 5 points for the team Anonymous versus 2 points for the team JSW. Para sila to Albasan. To Raquel. To Zape. No good. Jack Tonyo to Albasan for 2 points. 7 points for the team Anonymous. Jeremiah Bonga Itan. Pastor Lincoln Garcia. For 2 points by Lincoln Garcia. 4 points for the team JSW Hoopers.
Pero late na siya. Pero late na siya sa 9. Tingnan sa akin. Ate Michelle. Tingnan mo.
Elijah Marasigan.
Yung message natin siya din siya. Tsaka, may namin siya nakikita.
7 points versus 4 points in favor of the team Anonymous. Marasigan to Albasan. Back to Marasigan. Back to General Albasan to Raquel. Steal by Alingasa to Gavieta. No good. Rebound by Elijah Marasigan. Pass to RJ Sape. For 2 points by RJ Sape. 9 points for the team Anonymous. Retana to Gavieta. Gavieta for 2 points. 6 points for the team JSW Hoopers. Deconia to Albasan. To RJ Sape. To Raquel Jr. No good. Rebound by Retana. Retana for 2. 8 points for the team JSW Hoopers versus 9 points for the team Anonymous. Albasan for 2. 11 points for the team Anonymous. Bonga Itan. Paso Lincoln Garcia. Garcia for 2. 10 points for the team JSW Hoopers. Official score 11 points versus Tendero Bakun Montalbon William Tag, and Sean Cortez for the team JSW. RJ Sabe and Basan, Raquel Garce and Daco for the team Anonymous. Jan Garce to Basan, to Garce to Zape. Ilan by Ben Tendero to William Tag, Oguro. William Tag for 2. 12 points for the team JSW Hooper. Daniel Dacal Jr. 2 points by Dacal Jr. 13 points for the team Anonymous. Montalbon for 2. 14 points for the team JSW Hooper. Dacal Jr. para sa Garce. To Ebasa, Ogu. Rebound by Sean Cortez to William Tag. No good. Rebound by Alex Daco. Alex Daco to John Michael Garce. 2 points by John Michael Garce. 15 points for the team Anonymous. Sean Cortez to William Tag. To Montalbon. Steal by Dacal Jr. To Garce. To RJ Zape. Traveling. Official score. 15 points for the team Anonymous. And 14 points for the team JSW Hooper. Lawrence Baku pass to William Tag. William Tag to Montalbon. No good. Rebound by Tendero for 2 points. 16 points for the team JSW. Rebound by Tendero. Steal by Zape. RJ Zape. No good. First personal foul. Ben Tendero on the team JSW. Timeout by the team Anonymous. Thank you to our major sponsors ng Airframe Homemade Food Products. Mr. William K. Ponce. Artist Sportswear by Mr. Mike Viral. Sip and Deep Guam by Mr. Alvin Aka, and sponsor of our Wilson Evolution. Palaban Bakaders Motor Shop by Mr. J. Tito. Skyway Travel Insurance by Mr. Alvin Campo. Official score, 15 points for the team Anonymous and 16 points for the team JSW Hoopers. Free throw from RJ Zape at the team Anonymous. No basket. One basket from Zape. 16 points for the team Anonymous. All 16 points between Team JSW Hoopers versus Team Anonymous. 2 points for Montalbon, 18 points for the team JSW Hoopers. Daniel Dacal Jr. To John Garce. Team JSW Hoopers. John Michael Garcia for first personal foul. Free throw from Williamton. No basket. RJ Zake to Alex Daco. No good. Rebound by Candero. To Sean Cortez for 2. 22 points for the Team JSW. Garcia to Basan. No good. Rebound by John Garcia to Zate for 2 points. 20 points for the Team Anonymous. Outside goal. 22 points for Team JSW versus 20 points for the Team Anonymous. Daco pass to Garce. To Daniel Capel Jr. for 2 points. All 22 points. Time out by the Team JSW Hoopers. Official score, 22 points for the Team JSW Hoopers versus 22 points for the Team Anonymous. Coming soon, one-day league for MSD Basketball League Season 2, exclusive for MSD Ballers. We will keep you posted for our details. Back to the podium. 12 seconds. Cortez to Williamson. To Sean Cortez. No good. Rebound by Candero for 2. 24 points for the Team JSW. And the first quarter in favor of the Team JSW Hoopers with 24 points. And 22 points for the Team Anonymous.
William Grant daw. Yung ayun no. Yes, sir. Red Bull na. Dula ka lang, sir. Sir, inhale kasi exhale ka para makapin na. Inhale exhale ka daw. Wala toothbrush eh. Inhale exhale ka. Wala toothbrush. Inhale exhale.
Inhale, exhale.
Okay, one more. Baliw ka? Shabu.
Thank you, Team JSW Hoopers. Always remember to give respect to our co-players and officials. Red Bull lang daw, sabi ni Mr. Williamson.
Kagabi din, boss. Nareklamo din siya.
Elijah Marcelo to Daco, back to Marciano Garces. John Garces to the chair. Steal by Lina Garcia. Steal by Garces to Daco. 2 points by Alex Daco. First personal foul. Jeremiah Balaita of the Team JSW Hoopers. Free throw from Alex Daco. No basket. Rebound by Lincoln Garcia. 24 points between JSW Hoopers versus Team Anonymous. Garcia to Marasigan. To Jan Garcia. No good. Rebound by Alingasa. Alingasa to Margaret Tanan. Pass to Gavieta. Gavieta. Outside ball. Jack Tonyo to Raquel Jr. Steal by Bonga Ita. Steal by Raquel Jr. Two. Steal by Alingasa. Turetana. No good. First personal foul. Daniel Raquel Jr. of the team. And JSW Hoopers. Official score, 24 points for the team Anonymous versus 24 points for the team JSW Hoopers. Back to the podium. One basket from Retana. 25 points for the team JSW. No basket. Rebound by Alingasa. Steal by Marasigan to Garcia. To Alex Daco to Jaquel. 2 points by Jaquel. 26 points for the team Anonymous. Bonga Ita. No good. Rebound by Jaquel to Marasigan. No good. 7 minutes and 19 seconds. Gabriela Casubonga Ita. To Garcia. To Alingasa to Gabriela. Gabriela for 2. 27 points for the team JSW. Jan Garcia back to Jack Tonyo. Back to Garcia. To Raquel Jr. No good. Rebound by Alingasa. Pass to Gavieta to Retana. No good. Rebound by Gavieta. No good. Rebound by Raquel Jr. To Alex Daco back to Raquel for 2 points. 28 points for the team Anonymous. William Garcia to Bonga Ita and to Gavieta. Elijah Marasigan, first personal foul. 29 points. Time out by the team Anonymous. Official score, 29 points for the team JSW Hoopers versus 28 points for the team Anonymous. Both teams, no timeouts. No timeout for first half. Back to the podium. 6 minutes and 11 seconds remaining for our second quarter. Free throw from Rugel Gavieta. No good. Rebound by Aling Asa. Outside ball. Shot clock 12 seconds. Gavieta to Garcia. For 2 points. 32 points for the team JSW Hoopers. Change five. Change five. $32 points versus 20 in favor of the team JSW Hoopers. Backing pass to Cortez. Steal by Basan. Pass to Sir Alex Daco. Daco for 2. 30 points for the team Anonymous. Sean Cortez pass to Lawrence Baku. To William Tom. To Benjamin Dero, no good. First personal foul. General Basan of the team Anonymous. Free throw from Vendendero of the team JSW Hoopers. One basket from Vendendero. 33 points for the team JSW Hoopers. No basket. Daniel Gacal Jr. pass to Elijah Marasigan. Marasigan to Dakel. To Sir Alex Daco. Back to Dakel. No good. Rebound by Vendendero. To Montavo. No good. Rebound by William Tom. To Montavo, no good. Lawrence Baku. To Vendendero for 2 points. 35 points for the team JSW. RJ Zake, no good. Rebound by Lawrence Baku. No good. Rebound by Baku.
Dako first. Dako. Ay,
First lang.
First personal foul, Alex Daco. Tom to Montavo, no good. Rebound by Vendendero. Steal by Alex Daco. To Elijah Marasigan. For 2 points by Elijah. 32 points for the team Anonymous. Vendendero pass back to William Tom. No good. 35 points versus 32 in favor of the team JSW Hoopers. Two minutes and 45 seconds remaining for second quarter. Vendendero pass to William Tom. To Sean Cortez. No good. Rebound by Tom for 2 points. 37 points for the team JSW Hoopers. General Labasan. No good. Rebound by Vendendero. To Sean Cortez for 2 points. 39 points for the team JSW Hoopers. Dakel pass to Zake. To Dakel. Lawrence Baku, first personal foul from the team JSW Hoopers. Marasigan to Ebasa. For 3 points by Ebasa. 35 points for the team Anonymous. Lawrence Bacon pass to William Tom. William Tom to Lawrence Baku. No good. Rebound by Dakel to Dako. To Zake to Marasigan. No good. Rebound by Zake. No good. Rebound by Ventendero. To Baku to Montabo. Dakel to Ebasa.
William Tag first.
First personal foul. William Tom on the team JSW Hoopers. 39 versus 35 in favor of the team JSW Hoopers. William Tom to Cortez for 2 points. 41 points for the team JSW Hoopers. Marasigan pass to Zake. Steal by Johnson Montabon. Steal by Alex Daco. Alex Daco to Ebasa. No good. 41 points versus 35 points in favor of the team JSW Hoopers. 19 seconds. William Tom. Pass to Ventendero for 2 points. 43 points for the team JSW. Outside ball.
5 seconds.
Daco to Ebasa. For 3 points by General Ebasa. End of second quarter in favor of the team JSW Hoopers with 43 points versus 38 points for the team Anonymous.
Picture mo muna kami ng kita mo.
Bakit may mukha ko?
Maya, Jen.
Official score, 43 points for the team JSW Hoopers versus 38 points for the team Anonymous. Let's begin our third quarter. Margatanan versus Jeremiah Bongaita. To Lyndon Garcia. Garcia to Alenasa to Gavieta. No good. Gatanan for 2.
Basan second.
Second personal foul, Jader Basa. 45 points for the team JSW versus 38 points for the team Anonymous. One basket from Retanan. 46 points for the team JSW. Rebasa to the club, back to Rebasa to Marcia. Points versus 30 in favor of the team JSW. Raquel Rebasa, rebound by Alinasa, outside ball. Para sila to Jader Rebasa, to Alex Daco to Daniel Natal Jr. Daco to Ebasan to Raquel for 2 points. 20 points for the team Anonymous. Garcia pass to Bongaita. To Retana. No good. Rebound by Raquel to Marasica to Daco. Steal by Bongaita. To Retana. Gavieta for 2. 48 points for the team JSW. Steal by Retana. No good. No good. 2 points for JSW. 50 points for the team JSW. Rebasa to the care. Free throw from Elijah Marasigan of the team Anonymous. One basket from Marasigan. 41 points for the team Anonymous. 50 versus 41 points in favor of the team JSW. Marasigan pass to Ebasa. To Alex Daco. No good. Alingasa to Restanan. No good. Rebound by Restanan. Kelly. Daco to Marasiga. 42 points by Marasiga. 23 points for the team Anonymous versus 50 points for the team JSW Hoopers. Lyndon Garcia. Bongaita to Gavieta. No good. 2 points for the team JSW. 52 points for JSW. 2 points for Alex Daco. 45 points for the team Anonymous. 52 versus 45 in favor of the team JSW. 65 points for the team Anonymous.
Sino nag-time out?
Time out by the team Anonymous. Coming soon, one-day league for MSD Basketball League Season 2. Exclusive for MSD Ballers. We will keep you posted for the details. Back to the ball game. 5 minutes and 34 seconds remaining for our third quarter. RJ Sape pass to Jack Tonyo. To Elijah Marasigan. Pass to RJ Sape to Marasigan. No good. Rebound by Alex Daco to Jack Tonyo. Back to Alex Daco. To Daquel Jr. for 2 points. 47 points for the team Anonymous versus 56 points for the team JSW Hoopers. Williamtown pass to Margaret Tanan. No good. Rebound by Marasigan to Alex Daco. Second personal foul. Williamtown of the team JSW Hoopers. Alex Daco to RJ Sape. Pass to Elijah Marasigan. To Daquel. Daniel Daquel to RJ Sape. No good. Still by Margaret Tanan. Pass to Williamtown. To Red Tanan. Traveling. Jack Tonyo pass to Alex Daco. Back to Jack Tonyo. To Daniel Daco Jr. Hello to MSD, our photographer. Williamtown. Williamtown. Rebound. Rebound by Daquel Jr. Pass to Jack Tonyo. Jack Tonyo for 2. 49 points for the team Anonymous. Riddle Garcia. No good. Rebound by Tendero for 2 points. 58 points for the team JSW. Substitution. RJ Sape to Daquel Jr. No good. Rebound by Jackson Montabo to Williamtown to Lawrence Backward for 2 points. 60 points for the team JSW. Jack Tonyo, no good. Rebound by Montabo to Margaret Tanan for 2 points. 62 points for the team JSW Hoopers. Alex Daco. No good. Rebound by Ventendero. Ventendero for 2. 64 points for the team JSW Hoopers versus 49 points for the team Anonymous. Marasigan to Daco to Daquel for 2 points. 59 points for the team Anonymous. Time out by the team JSW Hoopers. Our official score, 64 points for the team JSW Hoopers versus 51 points for the team Anonymous. For photos and video highlights, please contact us or leave us a message through MSC and JDP Videos and Photography. Back to the bowling. 1 minute and 50 seconds remaining. Montalban pass to William Tom. To Lawrence Baku to Montalban. Montalban for 2. 66 points for the team JSW. Raquel pass to Evasan. To Raquel Jr. Back to Evasan. No good. Rebound by Lawrence Baku. To Sean Cortez to Montalban. No good. Rebound by Montalban for 2. 68 points for the team JSW. John Barcel pass to Evasan. Second personal foul. Lawrence Backward of the team JSW. John Garcia pass to Raquel Jr. To General Labasa. No good. Rebound by Johnson Montalban. Pass to William Tom. No good. No good. No good. William Tam to Sean Cortez for 2 points. 70 points for the team JSW. 2 points for Team Anonymous. 53 points for Team Anonymous. Sub muna from Team Anonymous. Seconds remaining. Lawrence Baku pass to William Tom. Pass to Montalban for 2 points. 72 points for the team JSW Hoopers. Ebasa. No good. End of third quarter in favor of the team JSW Hoopers with 72 points versus 53 points for the team Anonymous. MSC Basketball Season 3 is brought to you by Artis Luwani, MSC and JDP Videos and Photography. Official score, 72 points for the team JSW Hoopers versus 53 points for the team Anonymous. Let's begin our fourth quarter. Blue ball.
Blue ball basket.
RJ Zabe has to Elbasan. To Garcia to Zabe. 2 points by Zabe. 55 points for the team Anonymous. Gabriela to San Cortez to William Tom. William Tom to Lawrence Baku. No good. Rebound by RJ Zabe. Pass to Elbasan. Jaquel Jr. for 2 points. 57 points for the team Anonymous versus 72 points for the team JSW Hoopers. Lawrence Baku, 2 Montabo. No good. Johnson Montabo for 2. 74 points for the team JSW. John Garcia Castro, Arnold Zate. Susana Labasa. To Daniel Dato Jr. to Zate. No good. Rebound by Garces. No good. Rebound by Johnson Montabo to Williamson. 2 points by Williamson. 76 points for the team JSW. Raquel Daco. Daco for 2. 59 points for the team Anonymous. Williamson. Steal by Alex Daco. To Embasa for 2 points. 61 points for the team Anonymous. General Embasa pass to Daco. To RJ Zate. To Daquel.
Ano, Kian? Sino yung foul?
Zate. To Daquel to Marasiga. No good. Rebound by Lito Gavieta. Pass to Williamson to Ali. Basa back to Gavieta. No good. Rebound by Daquel. Pass to General Labasa. General Labasa for 2. 63 points for the team Anonymous. Time out by the team JSW Hoopers. Official score, 76 points for the team JSW versus 63 points for the team Anonymous. Thank you to our major sponsors, Razor Words, Pateras Patino and Classic Branch, by Mr. Ramjet, Domingo, and Lil Puyo. Back to the golden. William Tan. Pass to Lawrence Back to William Tan. Steal by RJ Zame of the team Anonymous. 2 points for Daco. 65 points for the team Anonymous. Versus 76 points for the team JSW. Lawrence Baco to Alianza at to Gavieta for 2 points. 78 points for the team JSW. Raquel pass to Embasa. To Daquel, no good. Rebound by Lawrence Baku. Steal by RJ Zate. To Embasa for 2 points. 67 points for the team Anonymous versus 78 points for the team JSW Hoopers. William Tan to Lawrence Baku. 2 points for Aling Basa. 80 points for the team JSW Hoopers. William Tan. Steal by Raquel to Alex Daco. Team Anonymous. Alingasa pass to Baku. Juggling. Substitution. Time out by the Team Anonymous. Official score, 80 points for the Team JSW Hoopers versus 69 points for the Team Anonymous. For photo and video highlights, leave us a message or contact us through MSD and JBP Videos and Photography. Back to the body. Jack Tono, pass to Janelle Basan. Back to Tonyo. Back to Basa. No good. Rebound by Narasiga. No good. Rebound by Lyndon Garcia. Pass to Gavieta. Steal by Elijah Narasiga. Third personal foul. William Tao of the Team JSW. Jack Tonyo to Alex Daco to the pair for 2 points. 71 points for the Team Anonymous. William Tao. No good. Rebound by Daniel Natal Jr.
Stop.
Sino ba? Garcia, Lyndon Garcia.
First personal foul, Lyndon Garcia on the Team JSW. Jack Tono pass to Janelle Basan. To Elijah Marasiga, no good. Rebound by Aling Nasa pass to Lyndon Garcia. 3 minutes and 45 seconds. Lyndon Garcia pass to William Tao. To Jeremiah Bongaita. No good. Rebound by Basan pass to the pair. To Elijah Marasiga to Alex Daco. To Jack Tonyo back to Daco to Marasiga and to Daco to the pair to Tonyo. No good. Rebound by Alingasa to Retana. No good. Rebound by Daco to Jack Tonyo. Steal by Retana ng JSW. No good. Margaretana, no good. Rebound by Bonakita. To Alingasa to William Tao. Steal by Jack Tonyo to Ebasa. Ebasa for 2. 73 points for the Team Anonymous versus 80 points for the Team JSW. 2 minutes and 26 seconds. Bongaita to Retana. No good. Rebound by Janelle Basan. Rebound by Bongaita. Last 2 minutes. Bongaita to Lyndon Garcia. points for the Team JSW Hoopers versus 73 points for the Team Anonymous. 1 minute and 52 seconds remaining. Back to the podium.
Shot clock 40 now.
Ventanan Quezon Williamson. Sumol Tabon. 2 points by Tabon. 82 points for the Team JSW versus 73 points for the Team Anonymous. General Basan. Baso RJ Date.
Bunga itan.
14 foul.
Ay, ikaw.
Second personal foul, Margaret Tanan. General Basan Sudaco. To the club junior. Steal by Margaret Tanan. Second personal foul, Daniel Baclar Jr. of the Team Anonymous. 1 minute and 18 seconds. Bunga Itan Kaso Yunamson. Steal by Baclar Jr. to Daco. Daco for 2. 75 points for the Team Anonymous. Third personal foul, General Basan. Free throw from Williamton. No basket.
Rebound na, rebound.
One basket from Williamton. 83 points for the Team JSW. Early second pass to General Basan. 1 minute and 2 seconds remaining. Basan to the bell. Back to Basan. Third personal foul. Margaret Tanan of the Team JSW Hoopers. Official score, 83 points for the Team JSW Hoopers versus 75 points for the Team Anonymous. One basket from Ed Basan. 76 points for the Team Anonymous. One basket from Ed Basan. 77 points for the Team Anonymous. William Tan. 43 seconds. Non-tabon. For 2 points. 85 points for the Team JSW.
Maubos na oras, pre.
37 seconds remaining. Bola ita to Williamton. Fourth personal foul. General Basan. Margaret Tanan. Pass to Williamton. Utendero. Rebound. Steal by Baclar. Alex Daco to Manasiba. Alex Daco. with 85 points. Congratulations to our Team Anonymous with 77 points. And of our second game, in favor of the Team JSW. And our best player, coming from the Team JSW, Mr. William Tan. Please come in front, Mr. William Tan. Best player.
Sabihin mo sa interview. Ikaw nga eh. Basic English ha? Basic English ha?
Tagalog. We're in the Philippines, so we need to speak Tagalog.
Konti lang.
Again, our best player for second game, Mr. William Tan from the Team JSW Hoopers.